told you, Mom. He's gonna stop saying it.
It's just like...
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Can you smile? Oh, you have some bad hiccups, huh? Those aren't fun, huh? Maybe some grape water would help them go away. What do you think? I love you. Those hiccups aren't fun, huh? Yeah. I know. Do you have some gas in your belly? Or just hiccups? I love you. Oh, good job. You're doing pretty good with your hiccups. Do you know how to get hiccups away? You either get scared or you get to drink milk and it goes. Do you want that choice, drinking milk? Were you craving Mr. Beast? Were you craving Mr. Beast burgers this morning? Yeah? Do you even know what Mr. Beast burgers are? Do you know what Mr. Beast burgers are? You do? What are they? Oh, I see. So, do you like sushi? You don't like sushi? Does it not go down well? Yeah?
What don't you like about it? You don't like the flavor?
Yeah, I don't like the flavor.
Are you sure there's different flavors?
What's he talking about?
Sushi.
Oh, sushi? He doesn't like sushi?
Or do you not like how it goes down?
I don't like it.
You don't like it at all? Yeah.
I hate it.
Do you
What
want,
about Mr. Beast burgers?
Do you like Mr. Beast burgers?
I do.
You want some? How are you
Do you
gonna...
like Do you like pizza? Yeah? Do you like cake?
I want cake.
Do you like ice cream?
Cake.
You like cake?
You love cake.
Do you like cake or ice cream?
I
cake.
Do you like cold or warm?
Jake.
I want cake.
Do you want warm or cold cake?
Just
Cake.
Okay. Do you want Mr. Beast Burger to go with your cake?
Ow.
Do you want a Mr. Beast Burger to go with your cake? You just want cake? You really want cake?
Ow.
Cake.
How about just milk? How about cake? How about cake in the milk?
Cake.
You'll take warm milk cake.
You just want some type of cake?
Okay, if you calm down.
Mommy will get you cake if you calm down. Cake's really good, huh? What does cake